family owned distributor in Georgia. We cover the entire state of Georgia for numerous brands, but we sell liquor, wine, spirits, and NAs to all on and off premise customers, whether it be grocery stores, liquor stores, convenience stores, and on-premise accounts, which are restaurants and bars, and also we also service convention centers and stadiums. Before MEIO, we used a spreadsheet system, an Excel spreadsheet system, with our GMs in our 2 DCs in Georgia, and they would send us the information. We would have to process the information by hand, and then we have to bill it separately, and it was very time consuming. It would take up to 2 hours a day to complete the process. By using MEIO, we have reduced the number of trucks that we send on a weekly basis from an average of about 8 to now we send 5, 1 a day, to different DCs. The process is much more accurate. It gives our DCs the inventory they need when they need it, and we're able to manage and maintain that inventory in Smyrna much better. By using the automated process to do transfers, we were able to lower our inventory dollars considerably in each one of our downstate locations. In one house, we were able to reduce overstocks by 37%, and in the other house by 54%. It's all about keeping them in stock a weekly so that we're able to send transfers every week and keep their inventory to a manageable level. Blue Ridge has changed the way we buy products. It has made it much simpler, much easier than we had before. We're able to buy the product we need when we need it and be able to control our inventory much easier. Our buyers are very good at what they do, but this has made it much easier for them so they can focus on other areas that they need to look at rather than the day-to-day creating POs and buying. I would highly recommend this product to anyone out there that's looking to change their purchasing process.